Can my 1000 watt amp inverter run at full capacity on 6 AWG wire with a 50 amp fuse? I got a 50 amp marine fuse down here. The answer is yes. The real answer of why it will work, I don't exactly understand. I'd love somebody to help me. But I had 83 watts continuously going through this thing for 3 or 4 minutes because I was testing the capacity. You could see on the display here what it was. I had a sander, another sander, a woodshop air filter, and a Wagner heat gun running on it, and I maxed it out at exactly 1000 watts. I ran it for quite a while. I wanted to test to make sure my fuse wouldn't blow out in the wild when I'm using this, and it didn't. We didn't get past peak, or we didn't spike above 1000 watts. We were actually right on 1000 when we were running this test. So anyway, these wires did come up a tiny bit warm. Not burnt up, not scary, but I think I want to replace them larger, and I definitely think if I went larger I would get more of a 90 amp or 100 amp fuse to have better capacity with this. And one thing I've learned is the fuses protect the wire in case of a short, or in case they get hot and want to burn up things. They're not there to test the equipment or whatnot, because these LiPo batteries at 100 amp each, they could produce way more power than a 6 gauge wire could handle. Other than that, that was my test for today. If you can help me with the answers, I'd love it. If you have other questions, let me know in the comments. And once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and call your mom. She misses you. So, I want to check. Yeah, those wires have a medium temp to them. They're not really hot, but they had some current going through them. None of the other ones did. So my 50 amp fuse held up to 83 amps for 2 or 3 minutes. I'm not going to run it like that. I'm glad to see they didn't fuse break. But I do think I want to replace the wire on that to something thicker. And I want somebody to explain to me why my 50 amp fuses didn't blow with the continuous load on them for 2 or 3 minutes at least. I'll look up on the video and see how long that took. Alright, I just shut everything down. I had a sander, another sander, an air filter, and a Wagner heat gun, and I was exactly at 1000 watts. So this thing was running peak capacity 83 amps. I want to know why my 50 amp marine fuses didn't blow, and then I also want to say that my wires got a little bit warm. If you can help me with the answers, I'd love it. If you have other questions, let me know in the comments. And once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and call your mom. She misses you.